Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're stopping in for the very first time, welcome and I'm pleased to have you here. Well, in today's video, I am going to be continuing my Christmas decorating series, Welcome Home to Christmas. So in today's video, I am going to be traveling upstairs and we're going to be decorating our guest bedroom for the Christmas season. I'm also going to be sharing with you a simple DIY and I'm going to add that DIY into the decor for the guest bedroom. So without further ado, let's get decorating. I'm just giving you a quick view of what this bedroom looks like before we transform it. And this is how we recently had some guests during the Thanksgiving holiday, and this is how they left the bed. And I have already cleaned this room from top to bottom. And so I have two in here on each side. I may be removing both of these. I might switch out the bow or not use them all together. I am going to put something here, maybe a Christmas tree or something, not quite sure, but we just need to go ahead and get started. So now I'm just giving you a view of the room as I have now removed all the wreaths and the sign in the center. I have replaced the floral comforter with this white one, and we're going to just start adding additional pieces to this bed until we have transformed it for Christmas. These are the pillow covers that I've chosen to use to decorate this room today. These pillow covers were purchased from Amazon.com, so I'm just going to put the inserts into them, and this is what they look like. Perfect fit. So now we're going to start layering the pillows, starting with these two white Euroshams here. This is also the pillow that my guests would actually sleep on, which are in the back. So here, these are the pillow shams that actually came with this white comforter. Later on, you'll see that I will switch those out and it will be red and white buffalo check, just like the pillows that I showed you earlier. So now, as you can see, I have added in my red and white buffalo check pillows. And I am telling you, once I put this on the bed, it just made this room jump with vibrancy. Love, love, love. Next, I am going to take this quilt and add it to the footboard of the bed. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out and install it now. So now I have installed this quilt at the footboard of this bed, and I am loving it, and it coordinates well with my pillows here. And I think I'm going to add a pillow right here in the center as well. This quilt is reversible and it's very lightweight, and this is definitely not your grandmother's quilt, because I remember those quilts back in the day. Once you put those on your bed, you were not going to be able to move. But this one is very lightweight and I'm liking it, and it is reversible. So this is what the quilt looks like on the reverse side. So I consider this a transitional piece because I can use this far beyond the Christmas holiday season. So here, guys, I'm just showing you the foam that I use to place in this vase, and I cut it to size, and this is going to act as the foundation for my miniature Christmas tree that's going to go in here. And I'm going to have to do some more cutting to this, but this is what it's looking like. This is quite messy, but I just use this from my packaging. Whenever I get a package from Amazon or somewhere like that, I just save this and I just use this instead of buying you know, that green stuff from Dollar Tree or wherever you want, floor shops or whatever. So this is the foundation. I'm going to set the Christmas tree in the center here, and I'm probably going to need additional foam here after I put the tree on the inside. This is the Christmas tree that I have chosen to use to complete this DIY. I share this in a shopping haul, so I encourage you to go over and watch my Christmas shopping haul from New River Pottery video. So here I'm just simply taking a knife to cut out a indentation in the center of the foam. Then I'm going to go ahead and insert the miniature Christmas tree in that section that I just showed you in the center. So this looks really messy at this point, but I have accomplished what I wanted to do here. I have completely inserted this Christmas tree. As you can see here, this is the full tree and what it's looking like here. And I have inserted it in the center, and what I did is the pieces that I had cut out, I placed them back on the inside, and now it's fitted. So I'm going to add I might add some moss to cover this up, and then we're just going to go ahead and fluff everything out. So now I'm going to start adding in my moss. I am going to be using some hot glue, and also you're going to see me spraying some self-adhesive spray glue. I don't think it really works that well, so that's why I'm using them in combination of each other. Using green moss is a great way to give your DIY projects a high-end look and a very cohesive look. So this is what it looks like. Next, I'm just going to simply fluff out the branches. So now I have finished this tree and added the moss, and it looks very good, don't you think? These are the colors that I'm going to be using. I think some red and gold. Just keep it simple. So I changed my mind and decided to use only gold and white ornaments on this tree. Oops, I forgot to add the lights. So we've added the lights, and you will see later on in the video how I use them in my guest bedroom. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and thank you so much for stopping by today.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day.